Hi guys, it's Carrie. Today we're going to plant the stuff that we just got at the Lowe's. Um, and also what we got at Frank's last week. So let's flip you around and show you where we're going to plant. So these are what I got from Lowe's today. Apparently I think I have a thing for petunias because last week we got this Black Magic petunia. Is that what that is? Yeah, Black Magic petunia, and then also the Red Hot Poker. But today, today I got, what are you? Some purple petunias. And I've been on the lookout for supertunias. So I got this pretty purple supertunia, Bordeaux, looks like is the name. And then this one is pink bubblegum, something like that. Yeah. Okay, it's just bubblegum. And mixed marigolds. And we'll do it from this side also. Begonias. They look super pretty. And then celosia. What do we call this? However you say that. I'm gonna call it celosia. If that's wrong, oh well. Which is actually funny because it kind of looks a little bit to me like the Red Hot Pokers, like the flower stalk wise. And that's Red Hot Poker. All right, so now let's get started. Okay, y'all, here is where we're going to start. This is the surviving heuchera from over here in the courtyard, we'll call it. That's new. That's new. They're the same thing. And then I haven't decided if I'm putting both of these in this pot or not. And some annuals will go here. And then over in the barrels we'll also put the torch lilies, which I think I said before that I was going to put them where the entrance is, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to put them opposite, like on the outside of the front. All right, this is Primo Wild Rose. Ooh, roots. Weeds right now, but oh. I don't know why they make them like this. They're a pain in the ass to get them out. I mean, who cares if you know what you just planted? Am I right? There we go. Just gotta bend it a little bit. You know what, Rose? Again, with Nancy roots on the end. This Dulce silver dove, which I already had in here and died, but I think it died because the winter flies got it. But I don't know. So we're gonna try again because I thought it was great. So pretty. I got a bigger one last year, so I was pretty excited when I saw these two little ones. And I knew exactly what they were. Like the name of them, not just this is all bells. I knew which is named variety. Oh, come on. Well, this is going quick, guys. All right. I think while we're over here, I'm going to plant the annuals in here. Yeah, temporarily we're just gonna stick its sister right there. And I don't know if you can see it. I moved this lawn planter from over by the AC surround, and I put the two that were right there by the AC surround because it's literally the same stuff. But I think I'm gonna get rid of this dirt and just start fresh since I have it. Sorry for all this nibbling. I don't like being outside with my beekeeper. Alright, so marigolds are supposed to grow 6 to 8 inches wide. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and they're 8. Okay. Let's do 6 of them. Red Hot Poker Flamenco. Okay, guys. What is that? That is Red Hot Poker Flamenco. This is a purple Supertunia. Bordeaux. This is a pink Supertunia. Bubblegum. Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. That is also torch lily, and that is the silver dolce gumdrop. Just for giggles, I put violets. I put that violet in there, and I topped off the dirt just to get rid of the bag. And then over here we did the orange begonias. Oh. Yellow marigolds. The other dolce silver gumdrop. Coral bells. My favorite. And what are these called? Primo wild rose heuchera. That one and that one. That one was already there. Which leaves us with just these to plant. We have an orange and a yellow marigold, purple petunias, the black magic petunia, and what is this, celosia? Yes. So I think what I'm gonna do is end the video here, because I need to go get more dirt. I only have one bag left, and it's supposed to rain in like a half an hour, so I'm not going to bother watering things in. If it hasn't rained by the time I get back, then I will. But I think the celosia and the petunia, I have to look at it to remember. I think the celosia and the petunia I will stick in my front raised beds. Alright, so I'm gonna say until next time, peace out, homies. But I'm also gonna show you how pretty my Weigela is. It's actually already started raining, so here's the Weigela. Isn't it pretty? And mine has a bit more blooms than neighbor Paul's right now because I cut it back a lot last year, so it's in full flush. All right, so on my way to Lowe's. Bye.